G'day guys, Dadventures back once again for a little DIY project for the 2018 Jayco Outback Caravan. That's right, what you see in the thumbnail, what you see in the title, what you see right now is I am very happy with this. This is awesome. A little pull-out drawer from King's, the King's drawers, which you can see all the time advertised at camping places all the time. And we bought one, we thought it would give it a go. And this is coming in real handy. Can't wait to use this pull-out table, because this was basically just empty storage, chuck some stuff in there and hopefully save a little bit of space. But this is going to be awesome for an outdoor kitchen area. So stick around guys, because you'll see some novice things happening from my point of view, because I'm not the best fixer-upper, but I managed to put this in. It is sturdy as. Hopefully you like it. Let us know in the comments below. Also, this video is brought to you by Orion Cafe in Yanchep. If you're up north looking for a nice coffee, hit up Orion Cafe in Yanchep. Quality food, quality drinks, quality view, everything. Perfect. All right, let's get into it.
Got the toolbox out on the driveway.
Alright, place it. I've got my 3 pieces of wood in there. Just loose at the moment. And we're going to place it on top. Pretty happy with that. I might just mark it out now with a pen and then glue them in. That should be sweet.
The wheat fields, the picture keeps me pushing on. But building this caravan of our own, little crooked, little rough around the chrome. Might not be perfect, but we'll roll just fine, chasing red dust and coastline from the south wind to the desert stone. We're building this caravan of our own. You're laughing at the door.
Alright, so now that I have liquid nails to those pieces of wood, I think my plan is to, as you can see, there we are, steady, sturdy, in place. I'm going to actually take this panel off. There's only 2 screws, and that'll easily come off, and I'll put them back in afterwards. Take that panel off just so I can get the drill on a nice straight down angle into the wooden planks. So I'm going to do that now. Alright, so I'm going to use a 10mm wooden drill piece, because I feel like that's pretty spot on to the size of the screws I'm going to use. So I did get different screws from Bunnings, these ones, pretty spot on, I think, for the same size as the ones that were supplied in the drawer. Same size, but just a lot longer. And that matches the width of this hole. So here we go, fingers crossed. That's that this goes well. Actually, first, I might need to put a couple of, I might need to get a drawer and mark a couple of holes, mark a couple of drawings on there for my holes. So let's do that first. All right, let's chuck this in nice and loose on top, so I can make a couple of, I reckon 4. Actually, we can probably put it straight into these ones right here. That should be pretty good. 4 bolts straight into those. I've got my marks.
We got the toolbox out on the drive.
See how we go.
Instruction sheet blowing in the breeze. Kids are drawing maps in chalk of all places we're gonna be. Bent a few screws, swore under my breath, measuring twice.
Shit, I hope I'm not. Ow! That shouldn't be that hot.
Huh? Oh, no, babe. Oh no, are we going to be...
What am I drilling into?
Oh no, I think I can see...
Oh, I'm drilling into the fucking metal. Okay.
Are you drilling into the metal though?
Yeah, probably. Okay.
No, I don't think you are.
Yeah, this thing.
No, that doesn't... No.
I'm too far back. Shit.
Yeah.
There is a metal, I don't know, bracket frame bit underneath the caravan, which the missus will show you right now if you want to grab that camera of exactly what I'm hitting. That frame piece right there. So I didn't actually account for that, which sucks. But I'll just might switch over to, like, actually, I'm worried.
You should drill through it.
You reckon?
Yeah. It'll be more supportive.
Yeah, it definitely will be. I'm a bit worried about hitting that cable though.
Well, let's do the actual measurements. Where's your tape measure? Other side?
Near the door. Oh shit. This is gonna be a bit hard though, because it's...
Huh?
Fuck.
What?
Yeah, I didn't account for that. Doesn't quite fit down dead straight, so let me see what I can do. I might have to move another panel. This panel here is actually in the way. Alright. Okay, just remove that. Just 2 easy screws that sits over top of that. So gives me more access to drill that hole.
That's not moving at all. I don't think I need to support that.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, so in theory, my bolts should work and fit straight through and come out the bottom end. Perfect. Look at that. Let's get another one. Alright, put this one in here. Should have got rid of that, but that's okay. Let's go have a look underneath. Yeah, pretty good. 2 bolts hanging out. I'll put a nut on those and a washer, tighten them up, and that should be sweet.
Got the toolbox out on the driveway, instruction sheet blowing in a breeze. Kids are drawing maps.
She's tight. That's what she said. Oh. So the dilemma I did end up running into was that these holes here for the drilling in were too far back, but on a, like I said, a metal rail underneath the trailer, which yeah, it was in a really bad spot. So I'm improvising and hoping that I've just gone back to the original ones that it came with. So I'm getting rid of the ones from Bunnings. These actually fit pretty perfect into there, and they don't protrude out the underneath. So look, I'm just going to hope with a bit of liquid nails, Bob's your uncle, it'll be fine. But the front 2 are bolted in nice and tight. Liquid nails the back 2. I can't see it moving anywhere, man. I really can't.
Is there any way we can do a hole in the... I know there's no hole, but can we do a hole in the middle one? Because that won't hit.
I actually already measured that, so that's the thing. So I've measured these ones because I was going to do them in there, and that's still too... it's on a big metal frame.
What about this back one here?
Oh, yeah, okay. Let's chuck a tape on. Perfect. So, I knew there was a reason why I married the missus. She's pretty clever. I'm just talking to the peeps. I ended up doing another hole in the back middle, which is perfect. A bit more stabilization, one of those, for the back section. So I'm going to have one bolted in through. The others can't because of a metal frame underneath, but I'm going to liquid nails them, and I've got 2 solid ones that go through the front. Should be enough support.
That sticks, I'm tangled in wires under the sink. Paint on my hands, patch on the floor, but we're closer than we think. Curtains you stitched on the kitchen table, faded blues and yellow lines. I see sunsets through that window on those long West Aussie drives.
Should be nice and sturdy now, that's for sure. Right. It's not going anywhere. Okay, let's attach the old aluminium stainless steel King's drawer to it, which extends it right out, makes it a big table, and should be sweet.
One proud heart.
Like so, got to be up on a big angle. That's awesome. Bob's your uncle. We have a nice call-out table for the Jayco 2018 Caravan. I'm happy with that. As a novice fixer-upper kind of dude, I'm happy with that. Sweet. Let us know what you think. Let us know if you give it a go, and yeah.